Hello everyone, my name is Oleksii Rukhlenko. I'm assistant professor in University College Dublin, and I kindly invite all of you for a conference, ICSB 2025, which will be held in Dublin in October this year. The lineup of speakers is absolutely amazing, and this conference will be specifically focused on bridging all modern developments in AI, in machine learning, and biology together. Usually you have either of them. Here you will have both. I think it's quite exciting. Specifically, my talk will be exactly about this, about making bridges between machine learning, big data, and exactly verifiable, testable predictions. We have here both wet and dry lab persons working under one roof, and this will be the flavor of my talk as well. It will be about exactly validating what we predicted in the lab and how it can be translated beyond lab. So my talk will be specifically about this bridge between AI and wet lab biology, and I invite all of you to this conference.